So that way this number. Then the first number you can see afford. So that is here A, F, 4 and D. This is that game which I was telling you. Now I don't know whether how much time we will take. Is this easy or hard? If it's easy, then we will start right now. If it's hard, then in homework.
Easy.
Easy. Okay. Now tell me the next one or any one, whichever you know. Whichever you find, no, whichever any word, tell me.
मैम फॉर्मूला वहाँ पे बी हाफ
Where is that we have?
फॉर्मूला है वो उसके यू के नीचे बी है वहाँ पे बी हाफ
This one, no? We have.
हाँ वो
Okay. This we have is here. Everyone third word. So this we had done. And whenever I cut my nails, no, so it's very hard to write on the screen. So today also same problem. Okay. These two words we have completed. Now any other word?
ग्रेटफुल
Where is that?
देखो फॉर्मूलेट का 8 है वहाँ पे
हाँ.
1 2 3 4 फिफ्थ लेटर जी है वहाँ पे नीचे स्लैंट में ग्रेटफुल
And what about other girls? Because like
Yes,
yesterday, I
ma'am, we
don't
are
want
teaching.
she will only give the answer. And if it will take too much of time to think, then I will give in the homework. Then next time in the proxy again, you can say the answer to me so that we can find easily in
मैम
less
देखो
time.
गेटवे 1 2 3 4 ये साइड राइट साइड की फिफ्थ लाइन है
Wait, but let me ask to other girls. They want to do right now or what? Because I want that they will also say the answer. Then we will do next other any game. Say other girls. Do you want time? How many girls are there, Rabia? Right now, how many girls are present?
15 और 16 मोदेसा इंशिया अलीशा
Yes, ma'am.
आयशा राबिया तरन्नुम इल्मा सफिया समा
Hmm. वहाँ पे भी स्टिक नहीं किया है गर्ल्स से फास्ट डिसाइड फास्ट
मुझे तो कोई भी चलेगा
बट आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट अदर okay, I'm showing other options to you so that you can select and this you can do in homework and then next time whenever I will show this one so you can tell me answer in less time because maybe today right now we will take too much of time so I'm showing next one.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Hi. How? Someone else has presented or what? 2 months story, Afrin. Do you want to be teacher? Afrin, do you want to teach? Eh? Otherwise, I will give you a chance on 5th September. Then you can teach. I will come in your class and then you can teach.
मैम लेकिन पहले स्कूल तो खुले।
No, in this way only. Online. You can share your
मैम
screen, then you
it is
can teach.
online class.
If it, I mean,
इसमें
if
ऐसे
they,
मजा थोड़ी आता है।
no, let you try, let you
तो
take
मैम
that experience also.
नहीं मैं नहीं लेना मैम।
So other games are this one,
मैम ये वाली अच्छी है।
but
नो
you
ये अच्छी है लेकिन हमें समझ नहीं आता इसमें
क्या
क्या
समझ नहीं आता? कितना इजी है।
क्या करने
अच्छा
का
मैंने
है।
समझा है, आप
इसमें
लोगों ने समझा या नहीं
I said no,
समझा?
like in WhatsApp also, how you write to
हाँ,
same to you, then
ग्रेट तो
great.
GR और 8 तो ग्रेट ऐसे।
That way that way you write no in WhatsApp
वो तो सब
using
लिखते
some
ही है।
numbers. So same way here also for some letters you have to use some numbers. So that word will be like this. See this formulate. So for then MUL and then 8 formulate. Last में 8 आया तो 8. Starting में 4 आया तो 4.
माइंड गेम है।
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Next time we will do this one or maybe this fact one because in fourth standard no always I share or maybe they only share like how all the students bring the thought no the same way they bring some fact or sometime
फैक्ट्स
I
तो
only
बहुत है।
share a fact and then I explain also. This one fact this there are so many animals no, who naturally have some strong smell that power. Then some
यस
animals different power and some different habit also. So same way this animal also has this habit. It sleep anywhere, anywhere, not like us. Okay, first we'll see whether that place is clean or what, or comfortable pillow, comfortable bed, comfortable this that. Directly sleep.
मैम
Then
आई
this one,
ऑल्सो नो वन फैक्ट।
which
देयर इज अ पेट penguin in Japan named Lala who
wow,
easily
fat
picks up a
penguin.
bag. Yes, who easily picks up a bag, goes to market, buys fish, and comes
Oh,
back
oh,
home alone.
oh, good. This one is about tooth. We all know, no? Whenever we get some cut or something on our skin, so after like it depends on that cut. If it's deep, then it takes 2 days, 3 days, 4 days to heal. मतलब उसको ऐसे heal होने में थोड़ा time लगता है अगर cut ज़्यादा deep हो तो. And even brain also, if there is some damage or something, no damage cells जो होते हैं, if then again it can regrow, वापस से grow हो जाते हैं वो damaged cells. So skin, brain, so many organs have that power. It can heal itself. But tooth, उसके पास ऐसा power नहीं है कि it can heal itself. We have to go to dentist. Then this one is about toothbrush. Okay, in before so many years, no, they use branches and this and that instead of toothbrush to clean their teeth. But after few years, when they started no making toothbrush and that, so they use that cow hairs. But nowadays they don't use cow hairs because we all know modern toothbrush. Then this one is about teeth. Okay, how many teeth different insect and animals have? Like mosquito, then giraffe. Giraffes have 32 only, like us. And this one is that other one. This one we had done in your class means did
No.
I discuss? No, no. Okay. So
Yes.
next time whether you bring some fact or whether solve that one. So take screenshot of that so that you can solve this one.
Facts, I have so many.
मैम ये गेम नहीं खेलनी कोई दूसरी
But at least take the screenshot. Next time I will decide. ऐसे पहले से हार मान ले तो वेरी बैड.
हाँ वो
नेवर
लोग
गिव अप.
हार्ड वर्क नहीं करते।
पहले
स्मार्ट
से हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. Whether the challenge is means it is challenge from me. Take it as a challenge and don't give up.
Ma'am, I get one.
Good. If you now you have taken the screenshot, no? So shall I change?
मैम लेकिन गेम ही खेलनी है।
हाँ हाँ, ये वाली अभी।
Ma'am,
हाँ,
I get one. Can I say?
से
In this that formula it was there.
हाँ हाँ,
Uh, After two line, there is a third word S.
आफ्टर टू लाइन थर्ड वर्ड एस, हाँ।
Sorry, four, three line.
आफ्टर मीन्स दिस इज एट।
The slanting में someone, some and letter one, number one.
ओके, एंड other ones, do you want to play right now or you will try? Because don't give up this way
I
directly.
want to play.
I want to play.
Okay,
Others,
because I want that everyone will take part in this and say, that's why. And now I'm showing few videos of post standard students what they have done that experiment. For them, this was harder. Did I discuss this one in your class? Not, no? I guess.
mhm,
Did I discuss this one? Experiment.
no.
So this experiment, first I've explained them in my lecture of Google Meet only. Even in advance only, I told them that this material will be required. Means this material you will need to do this experiment. Then
Zainab ma'am,
they were ready also. Huh?
कौन सी डेट को हम लोग को पेपर सबमिट करना है?
I guess that you got the message in WhatsApp group. I guess. Did you get any message in WhatsApp group? Like this roll number to this roll number, this date.
Yes, ma'am, we got.
Yes, ma'am. We get.
So please read that message only because I don't
Yes,
know.
ma'am. I also.
So I was telling you that on that day they were ready also with the materials, all the boys also and girls also. Means at that time we had a Google Meet of all four standard, not division wise or that wise. So they all were ready, and then step I was telling them to do, and they did also that experiment, and they performed also, they recorded also, and they showed also. They sent also, and then I uploaded it on the YouTube. So this is the YouTube video only, but I just downloaded it. So it is available on YouTube also. This one. So totally, I have selected the best three video and which I have uploaded. Actually, more than 30, I guess, more than 30 students have done this experiment. So I'm showing what is this experiment. So these things are required for that. So in this, she is explaining like which materials are required.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Because I guess Google Meet never support the voice. Then also I'm
Oh,
trying. Then tell me if it supports. It's coming. The audio is audible.
No, ma'am.
no.
No,
No, ma'am.
which because Google Meet sometime never support.
No.
Yes. Sometimes it support.
हाँ So in this, she is explaining. The first we'll make a hole and that, and hole should be the size of that straw. Exact same size. Then we can apply the glue and make sure that there is not a little bit space between that straw and that bottle, that hole. Otherwise, from there air will come out. So we have to just take care of that. Then fill the bottle this much. Then blow the balloon, and you can see right now that water was not coming out, but now because of that pressure of air, no. See here we have to fix that, and then air will obviously air needs space, no, to go out from any object or from anywhere. एयर होती है वो जगह ही ढूंढती है ना बाहर जाने के लिए. So same way here also, air is there in inside that balloon, right? So now anyhow that air will come out of that balloon and will go inside that bottle. वो bottle के अंदर जाएगी तो क्या होगा? Because of that pressure, that water will come out of that straw. So that is this experiment. So they were very surprised, huh? Especially boys. And even first, there was one boy I remember, okay, who was literally saying, "Ma'am, my experiment is getting failed. Water is coming out." I said that that is the only result. Okay, your experiment is successful now. And I guess last year when I came in your class, no, to take proxy when you were coming here to school in offline class. So at that time, I just connected my mobile and show you that solar decoration, that one, if I'm not wrong. I showed no, like solar decoration that which were done by students. Did I show that in your class last year in offline school? I connected my mobile with projector and I guess I showed one slide or not.
Yes, ma'am.
That was the first thing which all the students have done, and so many students have done this experiment also. Same. So I have selected best three and then I have uploaded this one, the second one, and this is third one, which is done by Bodiwala Mariam. The first one was done by Keshwani Fatima Zehra. Second one was done by Bhimani Satyam. So you will try this experiment at home or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Try this
Yes,
one and
ma'am.
then tell me. Then this one is done like this is another activity, weather will activity. In this one, no, they took that dish, whether a plastic dish or that thermocol dish.
Ma'am, the voice is not coming.
Means my voice or this video.
Video.
I said no, it never support. Google Meet never support that audio of any video. Means in my mobile specifically. So I will share that link.
Okay, ma'am. Today,
Uh, so she's explaining that how she has drawn that symbol of the weather on that dish. So you can take plastic dish, thermocol dish, any dish, and then you can draw like this. And these symbols, no, you can draw on any craft paper, any paper, and then you can cut that and you can stick. And these are the name of that weather. Then I told them to stick this near the window, and then every day you can change this arrow according to the weather. कि आज का वेदर ये है, आज का वेदर ये है. So many girls prepared also, they made also, and even they stick also near the window. Every day they change also. Same with this second girl, Baloch Misa, that was Bodiwala Mariam. Then this one, what was her name? Rajani Kulsum or something. In this one, arrow is very small, but the weather are same symbol. Then this one is that sink and float that activity. And this girl is Hasmani Saiba. First she will show one object and then she will put in the water. And then she will see okay, whether it's float or sink. Then she will classify. That bowl is for float and this bowl is for sink. Then it was very surprising that even one boy has also done very properly. I've selected his video also.
Otherwise, no one has done.
Many boys have done, but it was not perfect that I can select and I can, because in every activity I've selected best three video, and most of the time, girls only take the rank. I give the rank to them
Yeah.
only, girls. But first time boy was there. It was very cute. This girl, every time she make very cute videos. This one, she always try whether it's successful or not. In experiment time also. Now other videos are of science only. Means whenever I explain any lessons, I show them different science video. So this one you can do afterward, okay? Today let's complete that one which we were doing yesterday. This one. First one Rabia has solved yesterday only. So this one someone else will solve. Who wants to solve? Or shall I tell to her only? Rabia again solve the first one and explain so that they can also do next one.
Yes, ma'am. In first one, 2 will come. So that's 7 plus 2, 9 plus 6, 15. 1.
And here also 9 plus 5 plus 1.
3.
Then, so even whenever you write
So,
any number, no, in that boxes, whenever you fill that boxes, so make sure that horizontally also and vertically also, answer is 15.
yeah.
So now who will try the next one, which is 12?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Three. Three.
Where, in which number? This one, no? This box.
Yes. Three number.
Okay, 3. Huh.
And 2 and 6 in between. 4.
Here 4, no? Okay.
And 5.
Okay. Very good. Now next one who will do? And just now who gave the answer? What is her
Ma'am,
name?
I Madhura.
Okay, Madhuraina. Okay. Then anyone else? Next one is that sum is 15. So I can give you a hint that whenever two numbers are given, you have to find that missing one. No? So always you have to subtract these two from the
Yes.
answer. You can do like that. From
Ma'am, can
15
I
you can
give
I
subtract 8
use
and
that trick only.
uh,
Ma'am, can I give answer?
what is your name?
Aina.
Aina only. No, no, someone else.
Okay.
Yesterday I appreciated you. The same puzzle when I've shown to boys and when they've solved, so they took I think so 45-minute whole lecture only. But in your class, we have solved within 20 minutes. But now, again, we are not interested
Ma'am,
because
can
this
I say
puzzle.
the answer?
Yes, what is your
Inshia
name?
Fatima.
Raspberry
Ma'am, there's
Anshia, no?
after 8, it's 3. And
Here,
in
what
this,
should I write in this box?
there 5. Sorry, 6.
Huh.
And here before 5, 3.
Hmm.
And after 5, 9.
Okay, good. Now next one who will do? In this you can see in first one two boxes are empty, but whenever this kind of puzzle is given, first try to write the answer of which is only one box is empty in any line, whether vertically horizontally. You can start with that box. Then fill this box, then fill this one, and then fill this one. Then it will be easy.
Ma'am, can I, Rabia?
No, sorry. Someone else whose turn has not come. I guess yesterday what Rabia was saying, okay, whenever we compare girls and boys, in most of the cases, girls are ahead in syllabus, everything. But today I'm feeling whenever I compare you and boys, especially for this puzzle, because this puzzle is easy. You also know I have shown you so many puzzles. As compared to those all the puzzle, this puzzle is very easy. So in this also you are not giving answer quickly.
Because they are not interested only.
Ma'am,
Huh.
can I answer?
So if I compare your interest and boys compare,
Ma'am, can I tell?
yes, who?
Ma'am, can I tell
Nurani,
Inshia
Safia.
Fatima?
Shafia, you can say.
In first line, 2
This
and
is okay,
7.
first one. 2
No,
and 7 here.
yes. Then
Hmm.
in second line, 4.
Okay.
And in last 1.
Okay. Good. You can start like her also. But in most of the cases, when there are two boxes which are empty, so always start with that line. Whenever you have to just write one. This one is also the same, but this is more easy.
मैम दूसरा करो
I
ना.
have the easier one also and the other one also. And even I have this one also that you have to add and that and write the answer here. This one is also easy. So I have
दूसरा
some easy
दूसरा.
also, hard also. But whenever I show hard, so only Rabia or one or two girls, and for the easy also, which is very bad.
मैम लेकिन लास्ट में होते तो सब आंसर देते हैं.
Means class में होते तो
ऑफलाइन ऑफलाइन ऑफलाइन
oh.
तो सब आंसर देते हैं.
So in online, what you feel shy or what?
दैट आई डोंट नो. मैं तो आंसर देती हूँ ऑफलाइन हो या ऑनलाइन.
So please tell me the reason. All the other girls. And which I was saying, or this one, that game, this one, offline memories. This one, like this one game, like how many yes and no means one picture I will show, and this situation of the class, offline class. These are the situation, and you have to say that do you have this memory means do you have this experience? Like there are
ओके
so many memories.
तो मैम ये
So,
करो ना.
so right also. Okay, how many yes and no? I want to know at last. Okay, कितने yes आए कितना no आए. And this time not only Rabia, everyone. You have to write okay, whether you have this experience, whether you have this memory
Ma'am, we
for
have to
different
write or
different.
we have to speak it?
In your book you can write yes, no, that way. Rough book.
मैम सिचुएशन नहीं लिखना है ना?
No, 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 no.
हाँ तो
The first situation you can see the longest wait was the wait for the lunch bell. In the same situation when I shown to that boys no fifth step, so they told me whenever there is mass fit, so they
यस
wait
यस
for the bell. And even they told me that whenever they are there in that dorm, that assembly hall, so they used to tell to that Bilal Kaka to go and ring the bell early. So they
and
had this
the
memory.
short test is drawing lecture or पीटी
हाँ
lecture.
हाँ
शॉर्ट
yes
टेस्ट. और हाँ
yes.
सिक्स में तो शॉर्ट टेस्ट इंग्लिश का भी होता था कि
ओहो
इंग्लिश में बहुत मजा आता था, रोहन सर बहुत
हाँ
मस्ती कराते थे, तो कब
हाँ
ऐसे लेक्चर खत्म हो जाए ना पता ही नहीं चलता.
हाँ. So tell me how Rabia said her experience. What about other students?
Ma'am, I also yes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
इसमें तो
because the period which we thought that it's boring, so we are waiting for the time of the lunch.
Okay. Then next one is that using any paper or something, you make that loudspeaker, you make that, and then you harass someone.
मैम किसी ने स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट की तो आपकी
अरे,
स्क्रीन चली गई.
who is
Yes, ma'am.
that? She only that Mansoori Afrin.
Yes,
No problem, Afrin. Is she new student?
यस.
Means this year only or last year? I guess she was
दिस
not
दिस
there this year.
मैम दिस ईयर तो मतलब इस साल तो कितने न्यू स्टूडेंट्स आए.
हाँ.
मंसूरी आफरीन देन जिक्रा लाडा एंड दाऊदानी नीलम या कोई ऐसा है, कितने 6-7 आए हैं आई गेस.
हाँ.
सब ने मेरी पास से हेल्प ले ली माशाल्लाह.
हाँ. वो तो परंपरा है.
हाँ, जब तक मैं पढ़ूंगी तब तक कैसे कोई मेरा पीछा नहीं
हाँ.
छोड़ेगा. जैसे कि वो लोग स्कूल में उनके लिए नहीं मेरे लिए आते हैं ले कि सबने जो जो भी आए ना सब ने मुझे बोला कि अभी तक जो करा है ना वो सेंड करो. वो लोग तो छोड़ो, जो स्कूल में है वो लोग भी, जैसे मैं यहाँ पे फ्री बैठती हूँ ऐसे कि हाँ भाई आओ मैं आपको सबको दूँ.
Okay, so when these I have shown, no, so so many girls they share their experience, and so many girls said that they play this role. Like whenever one girl is harassing other girls, so they just sit and enjoy. They share their experience also, like they enjoy like this. Do you have any memories? So that you can say, otherwise I will show the next.
हाँ, ऐसे लाउड स्पीकर वाली.
Any like this kind of harassing, or you are just
हाँ
enjoying
हाँ
something like that.
हाँ, ऐसी तो है, मतलब याद नहीं है पर है.
Then this one is that someone is announcing, okay, now today you have free lecture right now. That is
देन
that boy is announcing that good news, free
हाँ,
period. So who mostly
ऐसे तो
announce? Teacher only, no? Like you
हाँ
don't see, no? Okay, you have
टीचर
free
ओनली
lecture.
यार नहीं, कितनी बार स्टूडेंट्स भी ऐसा करते हैं जैसे कैसे टीचर ने बोला कि
हाँ
जाओ बुला के लाओ, फिर ऐसा बोले कि ये टीचर को बुलाओ ये टीचर नहीं
हाँ
आए,
हाँ
तो
हाँ
ऐसे
हाँ हाँ
स्टूडेंट ऐसे क्लास में आके
हाँ
अनाउंसमेंट जैसे कि कोई
हाँ
टीचर नहीं कर रहा हो वैसे.
हाँ. But sometimes is that good news whenever you have free lecture and some proxy teacher comes. It
हाँ,
depends on the situation, no? Is that good news or bad news?
वैसे तो गुड न्यूज ही होती है लेकिन फिर कोई दूसरे टीचर ऐसे आ जाए ना तो बैड न्यूज हो जाती है.
Then this one, mostly, boys only. Ma'am, please give us two dust. Then I give them and they just play with the duster.
हाँ, लेकिन थर्ड के बाद तो हमारे क्लास
हाँ,
में तो ऐसे है.
हाँ. And even especially when you have that whiteboard, it's not possible to have this
हाँ
only. But whenever you have this board, blackboard, that side in that
हाँ,
building, it is there.
ब्लैक बोर्ड में कितना मजा आता, फिर वो डस्टर भी डस्ट करने का.
हाँ. In this also, other students are not saying only Rabia. I'm feeling that only we both are there. Will you please, other girls, will you share your experience, your memory? Otherwise, next time, I will just take PDF from some teacher and then I will tell you to write. I will ask to any your teacher only to give me some PDF that I can make you write in the fair book, or maybe I will check the fair book.
हाँ, उसके बाद मार्कर से लिखना होता है ना, इसलिए रफ करने के बाद है ना वो डस्ट नहीं करना पड़ता।
हाँ. Even class decoration and that everything.
Yes.
Then this one is whenever you go from one place to another, so someone is just minding that whether everyone is in line or not.
हाँ
One leader. And even here also in afternoon there were some captain who used to check nails,
यस
belt, and this and that.
Yes.
हाँ मैम देखो फोर्थ तक मजा आता था क्योंकि हम लोग ऐसे सीनियर थे और कैप्टन थे।
हाँ,
फिर
हाँ.
हाँ
फिफ्थ
मैम,
में तो
फिफ्थ
जरा भी
में
मजा नहीं आया।
Then you were
मैम
junior, right?
कैप्टन ही नहीं रखते।
हाँ.
वो सब हम तो सबसे जूनियर थे फिफ्थ में।
Yes. And even till third, no, the girls are divided, means in three class. But then
हाँ
fourth and then from fifth, so all the girls are in one class. So this many in one class, that is very big deal to sit also. And even sometimes you have problem also, like you can't see the what is written on the board, everything. Then this one, when I showed this one, no, so boys told me that they don't complete the homework in Diksha, but in assembly hall. They used to complete the homework it's on last moment only
हाँ
मैम
in
वी
assembly
डू इन
hall.
फ्री लाइक।
नहीं मैम मेरी तो ऐसी मेमोरी ही नहीं है क्योंकि मैं
Because
हमेशा
you complete at
हाँ
home only on time, yes.
और ऐसी है मतलब मेरा नहीं एक मेरी
हाँ,
फ्रेंड है ना वो रिक्शा में थी उसने बोला था तो अब मैं उसको
हाँ,
मना कैसे करूँ तो
हाँ.
उसका किया था मैंने।
Okay.
मेरा कभी नहीं किया
Okay, now
असेंबली
it's
में नहीं कभी नहीं।
10:55. So other memories next time.
ओके
And next time, please tell me your interest. Huh? Now I'm tired of asking you. So you are interested in
Okay,
what?
ma'am.